I don't know, man. I just really enjoy filming. Sometimes it's with the camera and sometimes it's with the drone. It just feels good to capture things the way I see them. It's not about having the best gear or, getting the perfect shot. I think I do it because it gives me a break. Like when I'm flying a drone or just holding the camera, I forgot about everything else for a while. No stress, no overthinking, just me and that one moment. Everything feels quiet, and I think that's what I really love, that feeling of peace. Flying makes me feel free. Using the camera makes me feel present, and between these two, I feel like myself. So yeah, this is what it looks like when everything just feels right.